On a free and fair inquiry. Work investigation di banong crime ke di banong shai, di banong kod, larangi la banong wing swai pau minister ba bulan apa kita di investigation bubut. Hak bedi kata kami kerani ban nomor hak bedi kata ban ya bandawa hang tu meeting kan. Ini kalau jong ala pun semua, makom dokan ya investigation kami wing part ya taki bahasa alej, makom tanpa minister hak bedi ba initial affair. Ke iko bang penpau tu kalau kata, anda mengalami against, mereka ni kalau against the principality.
So we have discussed so many issues. There are discussion with the visit of the Honorable Home Minister, and we have discussed about this Slovakia scheme, and we have discussed with the social welfare and others important. So that's all. We have discussed thoroughly with all the issues. Discussed, everyone has given their opinion, their view, and the chairman, the CM, has taken a note. So I think he will brief to the press also. That's all. To us, agenda number 1 regarding with the visit of the Home Minister. Then number 2, relating with this Slovakia scheme, another thing with the MECL. Then number 3 with this boundary, interstate boundary dispute, and then social welfare, and others important matters. And CM has clarified that he has already constituted the inquiry committee, and they have given the time frame 3 months to table all the things in the public domain. He has constituted inquiry, so we will wait for an inquiry committee to report us within 3 months. There will be a meeting between the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and the Chief Minister of Assam. So it is too early to comment anything now, because talk will going on for this.
CAG report on Slovakia. And number 2 is the boundary dispute, and number 3 with the 1 lakh sack of rice, and number 4 we have discussed also with the issues which relates to the power department. It was a healthy discussion. We have discuss in length with all the major issues, and happy to inform that the committee has already been constituted to study on these allegations. The allegations with the Slovakia, the allegations on the food scam, and the boundary dispute. So looking forward with the Chief Ministers is visiting tomorrow. There's a meeting with the Chief Minister of Assam to discuss further and to solve this problem once and for all. So these are the major points that were discussed today.